In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key in WIX. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily generate an API key and use it to connect WIX with other tools or services. Make sure you're already logged into your WIX account before you start so everything looks familiar and you don't get interrupted partway through. First, look toward the top right corner of your WIX dashboard. You'll see your profile area there, usually represented by an icon or your account avatar. Move your mouse over to that top right section and click on the profile icon. This opens a small menu that lets you access different parts of your account that aren't specific to just one website, but to your overall WIX profile. From the menu that appears, you'll want to go into your account-wide options. Click on the item labeled Account Settings. This will take you away from the individual site dashboard and into your main account settings page, where you manage things like personal details, security, and developer-related options. Give it a second to load, especially if your internet is a bit slow. Once you're on the account settings page, look for a section related to developer tools or integrations. In that area, you'll see an option called API Keys. Go ahead and click on API Keys. This section is specifically designed for managing keys that allow external applications to talk to your WIX account in a secure way. If you haven't been here before, the page may be empty, and that's completely normal. Now that you're on the API Keys page, you'll see a button or link that says Generate API Key. Click on Generate API Key to start creating a new one. WIX will usually ask you for some details, such as a name for the key, and possibly the specific permissions or scopes it should have. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name so you'll remember what you're using this key for later. After you generate the key, WIX will display it for you. This is important. Copy the key and store it somewhere safe and secure, like a password manager. Treat it like a password and do not share it publicly. If it ever gets exposed, you should come back to this same API Keys page and revoke or delete it, then generate a new one. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to your WIX account settings, opened the API Keys section, and generated a new API key that you can now use for your integrations.